Alright, common test 5. Let's go through the solution now. Alright, number 1. Let the function is here and this is the domain. So write down the equation. Student, please do remember that you need an equation. So of the vertical and horizontal asymptote. So vertical is x equals to something, and domain, since the domain is x not equals to q, so the vertical asymptote will be x equals to q. And horizontal asymptote, remember I showed you that x, we cancel that out. Therefore, y equals to 3. That will be our two asymptotes here. Alright. Part B. Vertical and horizontal asymptote. So let the curve somewhere here, and this is the vertical asymptote and the horizontal asymptote, and this is 1, 3, which is q. So find the value of q. If it hits the 1 here, x coordinate is 1, which means that the our vertical asymptote is 1. Therefore, B will be q equals to 1. So this will be a graph on those. And number C. Number C is a bit annoying here because it's required the distance formula. PQ, 2 points together, it means the distance. Right? So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute it. We got 2 points. First point, PY, which it says to be on the graph. So we can rewrite that. We have P, we have x, and then 3x minus x over q, 3x over x minus q. Alright, the second point, q, is 1, 3. So with our formula, distance will be equals to square root x squared x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 all square root. So we have x1 so for PQ would be equal to square root x minus 1 all square plus 3x over x minus q minus 3 all square. This bit is the same as the requirement, and do remember there's a square there. So all we need to do is we simplify this bit. So I copy the rest of the things which we didn't want to touch, and just go for it. So fraction, so we have, so q is 1 now already. Alright. Okay, and you just simplify that bit. Yay, and that will be the same as the question there. We rewrite it at the end because we need to let this examiner know that we have done our bit. And this is done. 8 marks.